What's going on, everybody? Kevin here with Bullish Bears with another tutorial video for you guys. This has been a highly recommended video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use TradingView Mobile and to get the most out of your charts. So me personally, I'm using an iPhone, so the screen's not too big, but it's definitely big enough that I could probably fit a second chart. So what I'm going to do is come down to the three little dots in the bottom right. I'm going to select that. I'm going to come to select layout. At this point, it lets you pick however many charts you want depending on which trading view you have. Now I'm going to do just the two, and I'm going to click this second one. Now we see that we have gold on the 30-minute on both time frames on both charts, but I don't really want to see gold 30 minutes on both charts. It's not really that necessary. So what I like to do is I like to come back to that bottom corner. I'm going to come right back to select a layout. We're going to go sync in layout. At this point, it lets you choose. Do you want to see the same symbol? Do you want to see the same time intervals? Do you want to see the same crosshair to line up? The same time and date range? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep symbol on because I want gold on both charts. I'm going to keep the intervals off because I'm going to want two different time frames. I'm going to want a 30-minute and an hourly, a 15-minute and a 30-minute, or a 5-minute and a 30-minute, something along those lines. Next, I'm going to turn the crosshair, the time, and the date range on. What that's going to do is it's going to make it a lot easier once we start scrolling. So as you saw, I changed the bottom chart to be the 1 hour time frame on gold. The top chart remained the same as the 30-minute. And when I'm scrolling on either chart, both charts are moving at the same time. So you get a bigger feel for what's the higher time frame doing or what's the lower time frame doing, and it really lets you know what's going on in the market. Now, if you were looking to have two different charts, you could have maybe the ES and the NQ. You would come back here, come back to select layout, and you would want to turn the symbol off, and you would probably want to turn the intervals on so you can make sure you're on the same time frame for both indices. One last little tip and trick: when you come over to the menu button, we do also cover the economic calendar. You're going to click that right there, and you want to make sure this little importance key is on. That way you're not getting clustered with all different types of news events, only the ones that will most likely have an impact on the market. So today is April 7th, and we are going into the week of April 8th, and it looks like on April 10th we have inflation rate and FOMC meeting. So that's going to be a big day for the market where there's not much news on Monday and Tuesday. So we might see some chop, what that's telling me. So I'm going to be patient and see if we have a better setup coming on Wednesday. Alright guys, I hope this video helped. Have a great day, happy trading, and take care.